Hey guys, does your car's battery kept on draining? Sometimes you park your car overnight for 2 to 3 days, and when you went to start the engine, it won't start. You have tried everything, but don't give up yet. In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install a cheap $20 kill switch so that your car won't ever have a dead battery ever again. Alright guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to connect this kill switch if your battery keep draining. This product does come with 2 remotes. It's really easy and simple. All you gotta do is connect this to the negative side right here, tighten up this bolt right here, and use this red wire connects to the positive, so it'll turn on the relay. Tighten up this bolt. Good. So it's tight now. We're gonna use this red wire, connect to the positive side over here. So this one doesn't have the connector for this, so I'm just gonna connect it to this one right here, this bolt's right here. Good. Now we're just gonna clamp this to the relay. Make sure it's tight. That's it. We're good. You can turn on and off. You guys can hear that. So you go in there. So I'm gonna turn it off. Off. See how the blinking light is not turned on right now? It doesn't matter if I try to turn it on, it won't work. Now I'm gonna turn the engine kill on. See how everything starts up. There you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, help you in some way, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.